will call your authority.
Oh, don't.
Okay.
I won't.
Rule 1 of stealing a bag. Don't do it. Rule 2, if you ignore Rule 1, definitely don't headbutt the officer who finds you. This guy went 0 for 2 on these. Credit on this one goes to police release.
Help me! Help! This is abuse! Help!
That's not a good sign.
Hey man, can I speak to you for a second? Did you just come in on a Delta flight?
Yeah.
Is this your bag? Because I just had someone come complain that a bag matching this description was stolen from that airplane.
Oh, go for it.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
It is yours?
Oh, it's my boyfriend's, but
It's your boyfriend? Is your boyfriend traveling with you?
Honestly, we're divorcing as of...
Those are very easy questions to answer. Is your boyfriend traveling with you, yes or no? When they start with honestly,
this trip.
Okay.
So go for it. Look.
Is there anything in there with your name on it by chance?
Nope.
No?
I don't think so.
Okay. You got an ID on you by chance?
I do.
Can I see it, please?
Go for it.
Can you pull out your wallet, please? Let me see your ID. You got a state-issued ID, or is this going to be all you have? Do you have a state-issued ID, or is this all you have?
I have a state-issued idea if you really want
Yeah,
it.
if you don't mind. It's just a little bit easier for us to run it. Perfect. Thank you, sir. You can have your passport back.
You'll be fine. Like ex-boyfriend.
Oh, we can deal with that here in a second. Let's walk over here, just get out of the way of this path. And I'm more than happy to help you out, all right?
I don't believe you. I think you're trying to like lure me into like a weird place.
I'm not trying to get
what?
Someone came and knocked on my door claiming that their bag was stolen with your description.
Well, search through it.
Well, I will.
just
Let's move
feel
over here.
very
Just get out of the
awkward.
way. Just right over here near the glass, okay?
Thanks,
Do me a
man.
favor. Let's just move right over here, okay? See
Babe,
that? See that?
I'm totally chill. Like, you
get
go
that.
first.
Okay, right over here near the
No thanks.
Go first.
Walk over
You
to the
go
window.
first.
Walk over to the window.
I don't believe you.
Walk over to the window for me. Literally walk right over there, and this will go a lot smoother.
What the f is going on?
I'm asking you to move over
I
there.
don't believe you.
Look, my partners are over here. Just walk.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I will call the cops.
I am the cop.
I will call your authority. He's touching me. He's touching me. Help! Help! Help!
Right here.
Help me! Help! Help me! What the? Oh my God! Help!
Quick!
Help me!
They are doing nothing to hurt him.
Stop kicking.
I haven't.
You kick me again, you're gonna hit the ground. You understand me? You kick again, I'm gonna throw you to the ground. You understand me?
Help! He's torturing me!
Whoa, torturing.
Help me!
I had a cockatoo. This is how he would wake me up every morning.
I haven't done anything wrong!
Stop! Headbutted me.
Help me!
We got the car.
Okay.
Kick me again. We go over the ground. You understand?
Shelly, will you go?
How did she just magically double lock that handcuff and it just silenced him?
It's a Samsonite black.
Like it was a mute button.
Where did it go before and I threw it? Somebody picked it up.
Help!
Oh well.
Help me! Help! He's torturing me! They're wrong! Help me! This is discrimination! Help!
Discrimination?
Oh!
Yes, they are definitely anti-theft. They are discriminating against thieves. I agree.
There's 3 more. I need. Help me! They're discriminating! Help! Help! Help!
Oh my God, what a nightmare.
Discriminating against me! Help! Help! They're wrong! I'm gonna shoot them out of you.
In the minute he walks outside, he lowers his voice. Such a drama queen.
Tell me what to do.
Sit down.
Oh! Don't
Okay.
me! I will.
Don't
Touch me. You kicked me.
Edward Ford.
do it again, you go
He kicked me! He kicked me! He kicked me! Help! Help! Help me!
Now under arrest. assault.
Help! Help me! Help! Help me! They're torturing me! Help! Help!
Edward 4, we've got him in cuffs.
He's sighing!
Theft,
Help!
peace officer.
He's sighing.
Help me!
He's breathing.
I haven't done anything! Help me, please!
Stupid move, dude. Stupid move.
Help me! Help! He's telling me it's a stupid move! He's torturing me! He's torturing me! Help! Oh my God! Help!
All right, sit up.
Help! This is incrimination. Please, I didn't touch him. I swear to God. He's a rip. He's lying. He's lying, please. This is incrimination. Please, I didn't touch him. I swear to God. This is discrimination, and I will file a police report. Help!
So will we.
Help! 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 This is discrimination! He is lying! Help! Help! Help!
He looks like Christopher from The Sopranos, but Christopher wouldn't act this way.
Someone back. He also tried to go through the fire door and set the fire door off over here.
Oh, he did.
Yep.
You couldn't understand anything you said on the radio.
He cut my camera off twice.
He headbutted me.
Oh,
Me kicked him.
He went like right to my head.
he headbutted.
Oh, that's just your okay.
Yes. What a D-bag. Why do you do that? Like, I don't understand why you try to take a bag that's in like the second. That's first class people. Those people pay a lot of money for it.
What?
That's affirmative. He's the one in custody for theft and assault of a peace officer.
Now, I don't know if that's his travel companion or if that's the owner of the bag, but his logic and reasoning is, you don't take the first class people. You don't take their bags. They paid a lot of money for that.
These are his.
Okay. Are they? Okay.
I haven't done it!
Are you okay?
Hey George, can you relax? So we can. All right, come on,
I'm
bud.
in handcuffs.
Yeah, well, come on out. We're gonna help you out, all right, bud?
I don't trust you.
You gotta come out, dude.
I don't trust you.
George, please.
Dude, I'm not trying to cause trauma.
Okay.
I'm not trying to cause drama. I just am causing drama.
Unlock my handcuffs before I get out of the car.
come out of the
No, I
vehicle.
don't trust you. Unlock my handcuffs.
Okay.
Go around and walk.
All right.
No, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. You're manipulating me. I haven't done anything.
You're doing good, bud.
This is manipulation.
Manipulation.
Help me! Help!
We've been over this in another video. There's a thing called ATM, ask, tell, make. Ask them once, get out of the car. Tell them, get out of the car. And if they don't get out of the car, you make them get out of the car.
Please! They're touching my help! Help! I haven't done anything to you.
No, don't hit your head. That's what we're trying to make sure.
Babe, I swear to God, I haven't done anything.
You check that side?
You can check every.
You guys are good?
Babe, I haven't done anything. You can check every ounce.
Turn around. Turn around.
She's not dealing with it.
Help! Help me! Help! This is abuse! Help! Help! Help me! Help! Help! Help me, please!
Don't worry about it. Alright.
Don't touch my
Do it on a quick search, please.
Don't touch my hand! You're breaking my arm! He's breaking my arm! Help! 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 He's breaking my arm!
You know, if you would just stand still, you wouldn't have 1/10 of these problems.
Help me! Please! Help! 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 Help me! Help! Help! Ah! Help me! Oh. I'm gonna sue you so hard.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Help me! I haven't done anything with my leg, and he's breaking my leg. He's breaking my leg. I haven't done anything. Help! Help me! I haven't done anything.
All right, George, relax, bud.
I am relaxed. You're discriminating against me.
This is George's idea of relax. Could you imagine if he was amped up?
Help! Help!
Get on your
He's
knees, bud.
discriminating. I haven't done anything. Help!
Discriminating.
I've literally not done anything at all. Ah!
Relax.
Help! Help!
You're good.
No drugs, no alcohol, nothing. Help! Help!
You're doing good, all right? Just relax, bud. You're almost there. We're gonna take these off.
Help me! Help! Help! They're discriminating! This is unjust! Help! Help me! Help! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help
Go ahead,
me!
get on your knees, bud. George, get on your knees, okay?
Either you go down or we put you down.
There you go.
There you go.
Hang tight. We gotta
done anything.
just stay there.
As calm as can be. I haven't done anything wrong. The woman is like, either you go down to your knees or we're going to put you down. And he went straight down to his.
That's the law. I have literally done nothing.
Relax. We're not gonna.
Don't touch my foot.
You want the
You're
handcuffs
pressing my foot. Ow! He's pressing my foot. Ow! Ow! Ow!
What a knucklehead. I'd appreciate it if you subscribed here, but if you want an even deeper dive into true crime cases from the first call to the final verdict, check out my other channel. It's called the Comm Center. Every good true crime story starts with a 911 call. My partner John is an active 911 dispatcher. We're gonna take you on a journey of today's most popular cases with our insider perspective. Click here if you wanna see another male Karen try to talk back to police.
Ow! Ow! He's hurting me. He's hurting me. Help! 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 He's hurting me. Ah! Abuse of power. Abuse of power. Help!
Abuse of power.
Behind you at the door.
They backed out of there like he was a lion. I mean, 2 sergeants, a huge officer, and they had to back out of the room like he was a pit viper. Unbelievable. How about you just take responsibility and you don't have to do all that? He could have even just said, yeah, I think I made a mistake here. Or, yeah, I made a mistake. I was going to try to get away with stealing this. He didn't have to go through all that. So let's recap. He stole a bag. He refused to cooperate. He screamed torture and discrimination at these officers who never even raised their voice, and capped it off by kicking and headbutting one of them. He walked in thinking he could talk his way out, and obviously he walked out in cuffs. He was charged with theft, assault on a public servant, and the lesson here, when the calm guy asking for your ID stays calm no matter what you throw at him, that's not weakness. That's a man who's done this 1,000 times and knows exactly how it ends. There was definitely a crying baby on that flight. Click here though if you want to see another male Karen trying to talk back to the police.